So, GitHub just really revolutionized how we think about coding and collaboration, right? But did you know how huge AI has become in that space?
Wait, seriously? I mean, I know it's there, but how is AI specifically changing the game for developers?
It's wild. With tools like Copilot, AI doesn't just help, it actually suggests code while you're working. Think about that, like having a coding buddy.
Oh, wow. So instead of just learning from examples, developers can now have real-time assistance? That feels like a huge leap in productivity.
Exactly. And it's not just about speed. It's about freeing developers to focus on bigger problems like architecture or user experience.
That makes total sense. So what's next? Are we looking at AI actually thinking for us in future coding projects?
Kind of. Like, we might eventually see AI managing entire repositories, keeping track of changes and suggesting improvements based on past performance.
Wow, that's a game changer. But does that mean some skills might become obsolete, like the traditional coding we know?
Definitely a concern, but it's more about evolving skills. Think higher order problem solving and creativity in designing software.
Oh, I love that perspective. It's like we're moving up the value chain in technology. But what if the AI makes mistakes? Who's accountable?
Great question. It brings a whole new layer of responsibility. Developers will need to vet AI suggestions more critically.
So it's also about trust. Trusting AI's suggestions while still remaining vigilant. That's fascinating.
Right? And let's not forget about GitHub sponsors as a way to support open source developers. AI could help here too.
Totally. Imagine an AI scouting for projects that align with developers' interests for sponsorship. That could shift funding dynamics.
Yes, and think about how that could enrich the open source community. More diverse projects could emerge with better funding.
This feels like a perfect synergy between technology and creativity. But how does GitHub ensure ethical AI use?
That's a big topic. They're continuously working on guidelines to help developers understand AI's capabilities and limitations.
Got it. They're emphasizing education along with development. That's vital, especially as AI continues to evolve.
Exactly. And it's fascinating how tools like GitHub Advanced Security are already addressing vulnerabilities with AI.
Wait, how does that work? AI scanning code for vulnerabilities sounds really advanced.
It is. AI analyzes historical data and code patterns to predict where security issues might arise. So cool.
That seems like such a relief for developers. It's like employing a super-powered QA team.
Right? And considering the speed of deploying code today, that helps prevent potential disasters.
But what if an AI misjudges a security flaw? That risks major breaches. Is that accounted for?
For sure. Developers still have the final say. It's a partnership rather than just AI taking over fully.
This partnership model feels reassuring. But how about communities of developers? How does AI shape teamwork?
Collaboration tools are becoming more integrated with AI insights, helping teams make better decisions together.
Wow. So AI is promoting teamwork rather than isolating developers. That's huge.
Exactly. It connects ideas and talents in ways that boost creativity and efficiency. It's exciting.
But how do you think all this impacts the learning curve for new developers?
Oh, I think it shortens the learning curve significantly. Newbies can leverage AI to fill gaps in knowledge.
That's a nice thought. So complex concepts become more approachable, especially in real-time coding scenarios.
Absolutely, like a virtual mentor guiding you through the maze of programming nuances.
But do you worry about over-reliance on AI? I mean, when does it become too much?
That's something we need to watch. Balance is key, and developers must still cultivate their core skills.
I see the need for critical thinking. The foundation should remain strong while using AI as a tool.
Yes, and teaching foundational skills while incorporating AI tools could prepare future developers better.
This is really blowing my mind. The potential for innovation feels limitless.
Totally. And think of how this might influence different industries beyond just tech.
Oh, so we're talking healthcare, finance. Any field that relies on intricate systems can benefit.
Exactly. And the ethical considerations of using AI would be just as relevant, no doubt.
It's so circular. It keeps coming back to ethics and responsibility. Who knew coding could get so deep?
Right? It's like a canvas stretching infinitely. Where do you see AI going in the next few years?
I think we'll see AI models that continually adapt, not just for coding, but for learning to code.
That's super exciting. It feels like a new chapter in technology, but also a bit daunting.
For sure. The future is here, and it's calling for thoughtful engagement from all developers.
So it's not just about tools, but about fostering a community that thrives alongside AI.
Exactly. And keeping this conversation alive as technology evolves will make all the difference.
And that's where we wrap back to the core of GitHub, creating a space for collaboration and innovation together.
That's the spirit. It all comes down to how we harness these advancements to create a better future.